I'm trying to make a video, but every time I get to the very end, my computer erases it. I don't know what's up with it, but hopefully let me fly this time. But anyways, as y'all can see, we hitting this 50 EMA 2 times, 1, 2, about to be a third time, so we should get a breakthrough, and we should come up here to this 100 EMA. So I believe we should get a move up to around $28,000, cover half these candlesticks right here. Could possibly go high, but in general, $28,000 our next trend up before we get a reversal. And when we reverse back downward, we're going to shoot past this 200 EMA. It's going to fly. So that's a danger zone. I mean, still the same danger zone right here, but it's going to fly this time. All the way to the next zone. Hit y'all right here on the daily. As y'all can see, we basically had this in formation turn out to be a head and shoulder formation, and we're coming back up to get rejected by the 200 EMA on the daily. After that, we should be definitely come down to this 100 EMA, you know, around 750, around that general range. We should have a nice little slowdown, but ultimately we should be coming down 19,000. That's our next real support level is 19,000. So the EMA is just gonna slow it down a little bit or fake you out just like it did here. It came halfway down, boom. So we could easily come all the way down here. We could come all the way to this red line right here, around 22,000, you know. Then we might come back up and get rejected by the 100 EMA on the daily, and then we make the rest of the move down to 19,000. That's a possibility, or they could just keep going down. Basically, what I'm saying is, I mean, we're not going up. There's no more uptrend. They done blew the uptrend now. Not blew it, but they did basically all they was planning on doing. So all they're doing is slowly taking it back. But like I said before, all these green candlesticks right here, they got to come down fast because they want nobody to have money on the table. So that's all they doing. So I'm gonna hit you on the weekly. Boom on the weekly. Let me take this off right here. Boom on the weekly. As y'all can see, like I told y'all, they wait for that 20 EMA to come above that 150 just so they can shoot it back down. So it's just gonna curve up just like that and fly off the table. Then it's nothing else underneath here. So keep that in mind. Now also look, since this 100 EMA popped up in 2018, that 20 EMA has never went below it, nor has a 50, and the 50 basically is right there touching it. You know what I mean? Y'all can clearly see the difference, what I'm saying, from when it started to now. And you rarely see anything like that. Then when you see the 20 drop below the 50, I mean, you'll see moves like this, like, you know, the market crashes right there. But clearly, this one is way more extended. And like I said, this is actually the same pattern it is over here. And we're literally right here at the same moment. It's right here. So this is when we're about to start seeing the few weeks, which probably could be easily within the next month and a half of this thing flying straight down and recovering all these candlesticks. Because it's going to come back down here to recover these candlesticks right here. So keep in mind that this was like double the size, almost triple the size of what this already was. So this drop is going to be crazy. So it's going to start off slow, but our slow will still easily be, like I say, from where we're at now, like at 19,000, that's going to be slow. Even the 22,000, you know what I'm saying? That general range, that's going to be slow compared, you know what I mean, to something that it can actually do. Because I'm looking for this thing to go down to 5,500, like I told y'all so many times. And as y'all can see, it is still playing out. I'm showing y'all long term so y'all don't get too crazy and y'all think y'all get money out this game, because ultimately they about to take everybody cash, everybody money, anything you have in there. Once they make that move, it's gonna be you can't take nothing out. It's just gonna be over. That's the whole point of me teaching y'all how to read this, because if y'all are to trade, it better be short term. I wouldn't be holding it in for no weeks, no months, nothing like that. I'm talking about hours. Something like this. But yeah, like I said, I believe this thing come up $28,000, then we get a reversal, come down around 22,000, and then get a little uptrend, then get rejected around 24, come back down 19,000. That's what I'm expecting in a shorter term period. But like I say, at any point in time, that could just flush everything. So always keep that in your mind. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice. Y'all grown. Y'all make your own decision. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.